Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, wanted to talk a little bit about recovery specific to fitness and health. And I've been really trying to focus on noticing recovery throughout the day or even in sleep overnight, etc., with some trackers, wearables, but also just to see if I can feel a difference throughout the day, because you hear about wind down, how do you come down after a workout? So I've really been focusing on my breathing after a workout, especially a hard workout, but even just bringing my breathing back down. So I'm focusing on doing some kind of structured breathing. I don't necessarily stick to one specific thing like a 4x4 box breathing. Sometimes I do that. It just depends on kind of, I don't know, what's going on or what pops into my head. The biggest thing that I focus on is prolonged exhales. So making my exhales longer than my inhales. It really does help my brain to switch off this mode of action, go, and my heart rate comes down a lot faster. This is something that I also do before bed, but after a workout, it has made a huge difference. I notice that my heart rate comes down faster, but then it also stays down throughout the day, and it doesn't spike as much throughout the day with movement or stress, etc. If I'm doing a low key, like just a walk in the morning, my heart rate doesn't get up as much anyway. But if I work out and I don't do that breathing, I do notice that there is a difference in my heart rate and my response, my body's response to both stress and movement in my heart rate. So I notice that. So it's something that I've really been trying to stick to. I don't necessarily have a ton of time to sit and just lay down and breathe. I know Dr. Andy Galpin had talked about that back in some podcasts, probably multiple times, about the importance of breathing and winding down after a workout. And the best way is to lay down and do the breathing. But for someone like me, I don't know how it works for you, but I'm busting a move, fitting things in before I go to work, then I got to get ready. But if I can, walk a little bit, do that breathing, but then even as I'm getting ready, if I have to really think about it, but really focus on those prolonged exhales. It might be while I'm trying to prep a few things, get my lunch ready for work, even getting in the shower, and then, getting dressed, etc. If I can do that, it still makes a huge difference. I know it's not as ideal as laying down and closing your eyes, etc. But if it's not something that you're doing now, I highly recommend it. Try it, see if it makes a difference with heart rate or just even perceived ability to recover throughout the day or even for sleep. What is your routine? What is your specific breathing pattern that you try? What has worked? What questions do you have? Leave those in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.